What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to show you my second dividend payment from Huntington Bank, ticker symbol HBAN. I'm really excited about getting this second dividend payment. This is a quarterly paying dividend company, and so that's what I'm going to share and talk with you about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so as of now, my portfolio is sitting at $202,000, and of course, I'll show you guys that on the screen. This is my second dividend payment with Huntington Bank. As a matter of fact, I'm considering selling some of my shares with AT&T, maybe all of my shares with AT&T, and investing in another bank, and I'll show you guys that right now. Actually, the other bank I'm interested in right now is Northwest Bank. And I'm interested in this particular company because they've been paying dividends for a long time, and the dividend yield is currently 5.60%, which is really, really cool. It's currently higher than Huntington Bank. Their dividend yield right now is 4.15%. So I'm considering, like I said, selling my shares, but that'll be a different video. All right. So like I said, as of now, as you guys can see, my portfolio is worth $202,000, and I'm still down, believe it or not. Since May of 2020, I started to kind of reinvest in the stock market, and I can show you guys that since then I've really invested $206,000. So I'm still down overall like $4,400. Okay. But overall on my Robinhood account, since I invested way back in 2016, I'm currently down $8,500. We're not worried about that because we're going to get there eventually. And I will be doing, in the future, I'll be doing some more investing in regards to index funds, which I think is probably one of the easiest ways to do well in the stock market. All right. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to show you guys my most recent dividend payment with Huntington Bank. Okay, so I have it pulled up here. As you guys can see, it's trading for $13.99 right now as of today. And my total return is $169.28. I'm currently up 13%. My average cost per share is $12.33. I'm pretty excited about that. I don't have that many shares. I only have 102 shares right now at the moment, but that's okay. Anytime I can be in the green is always good. As a matter of fact, a lot of the accounts that I have now, I am in the green, but because I was doing day trading and swing trading, and I didn't know what the hell I was doing because day trading has a really, really steep learning curve, I lost a lot of money. So I'm still trying to dig myself out of that hole. All right, so I'm going to scroll down here and I will show you guys that this is my second dividend payment. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to click on show more. Then I'll click on dividends just to make it really simple. So as you can see, the first dividend payment was back in April 2020. I had at the time 100 shares and they're paying 15 cents per share. So that's why I got a dividend payment of $15. The second dividend payment right here, July 1st. At that time, I had 101.25 shares. They were still paying 15 cents per share, and so therefore I got a dividend payment for $15.19. They did went ahead and grabbed some more shares for me because on Robinhood I have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on, which is DRIP, and so they grab shares for you automatically. So as you guys can see, they were able to grab 1.05 shares, and at the time that they made that purchase, it was $14.44, which is clearly interesting because right now it's trading for $13.98 or 99 cents. But you know, the fact that the dividend reinvestment is turned on, DRIP is turned on automatically, makes it a little bit easier for you just to get those shares purchased for you. Since I've started the video, you saw the price. It was $13.99, then it was $13.98, and now it's $14. Okay, so once again, when Robinhood grabbed those shares, it was $14.44. Okay, so if you are just starting and you're doing like dividend investing and you get your little dividend payment, if you don't have that many accounts to manage, you don't have that many companies that you have stocks with, then it or shares with, then it may be easier for you to manually purchase. But because I have over 12 companies of different companies that I'm invested with, I just have the drip turned on automatically for them to grab shares with for me because it's just easier that way. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I will be making some more videos where I'll be talking a little bit more about index funds because I am looking to add that to my portfolio. Not necessarily on Robinhood. I'm going to actually sign up for Fidelity, and I really should have signed up like over 6 months ago. I would have been doing good had I done that, but I didn't. So I need to sign up for my Fidelity brokerage account, and then I'll be purchasing some index funds through Fidelity because Fidelity has several index funds that doesn't have an expense ratio, which means you don't have to pay anything for that particular index fund. And it's really, really cool. So there's no minimum for their index funds, which is really good as well, because other companies such as Vanguard, which everybody knows Vanguard is a big deal. They're really the ones that invented index funds to some extent. There are expense ratios with those accounts, and you have to have a minimum of $3,000 to get into some of those index funds. So that's why I'll be choosing to go with Fidelity, because there is no minimum and you don't need $3,000. Technically, you can invest in an index fund with $1. Clearly, that's not going to do anything, but you could. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.